Welcome to another video. If you haven't not yet done so, hit the subscribe button so you never miss another tutorial. Today we're gonna solve this access denied problem when you're trying to log into MySQL Server. You might try to log into your MySQL Server by saying mysql -u root -p. Even though you enter your correct password, it will say that access denied for your user root at localhost using password yes. So how do you solve it? So there is a specific way of solving this in Microsoft Windows. So how do you solve it? First, you need to stop MySQL Server from the services. To do that, right click on your taskbar and go to Task Manager. Go to Services and search for mysql-80. So I have already installed MySQL Workbench and MySQL Server 8, but still I cannot get into the server, so I'm gonna stop it. Okay, then I'm gonna create a simple text file. So I'm gonna create a new file on the desktop, new text file, and I'm gonna name it as mysql-init. So the name can be anything, so I'm gonna name it as mysql-init. I'm gonna open it. So I have the mysql-init.txt file. It's a text file. Then I'm going to enter this SQL query here. Alter user at localhost at identified by your password. So you need to give the password that you have given when you were installing the workbench of the server. So I gave root and I'm gonna save this file. Okay, close it and copy this file and paste it on C drive. Okay, I have this mysql-init file on the C drive. Next, what you want to do is to navigate to the folder where you have installed MySQL Server. So it should be on program files, MySQL Server 8, and inside bin you should have the MySQL file. There, open the command prompt. This time you need to open the command prompt in the administrator view. So I'm gonna open command prompt in that as an administrator. Then I'm going to navigate to this place. So I'm going to cd paste and I'm inside the bin folder. So after navigating to the bin folder, then what you have to do is find this path where you have the ini file. my.ini file is located. So it is located inside the C drive, and make sure you have the option hidden items to be viewed, and there you will have a folder called ProgramData. Inside that you will have a folder for MySQL. Inside that MySQL Server 8.0, and here you have the my.ini file. Then copy this path and on the command prompt type mysqld -- equal sign, inverted commas, open inverted commas, and paste path, and make sure you have double slash. After that, double slash, enter my.ini file. Close the inverted commas, then type --init-file, and here you need to give the path to the file that we have created earlier. So it was inside the C drive and the name is mysql-init.txt. Don't add inverted commas for that. This time if you press enter, you will not be able to see what is happening behind the scenes. So just enter --console so you can see what is happening behind the scenes. So press enter and say something like this: ready for connections version 8.0 socket this one and port 3306. SQL Server is ready for the connections. Press Ctrl C to get out from this. It will show you a message: the server is getting shut down. Close it and again go to your task manager and start the MySQL Server. It is getting started and it is running. Now run command prompt and now type mysql-u, the root, enter, and the password should be the password that you have entered in the mysql-init file. And now you have access to your MySQL server.
And after that, you can delete this mysql init file that we have created. Just delete it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.